Welcome to City Grillin'. My name's Ron Vore, and in this episode, we're gonna do a real simple rub to a turkey breast, right? So I have a turkey breast right here, and I've already made my rub seasoning. You can get this on the citygrillin.com website. Look under rubs. There's several different seasonings in here. A little bit of sugar too to help make it sweet. But I brined this turkey breast overnight, salt and water, and I'm just gonna take some of this rub and just do like we should and rub it around this bird. And another little trick I like to do with a bird like this is, get up underneath the skin and go ahead and put some of that rub way up underneath here. That's going to taste really good when we get this out on the grill. You turn this over a little bit, put some more seasoning on here, just like so. I'll pour some in here. And with this recipe, I'm going to do one other little secret thing. It's not really secret, but we're going to sweeten it up as it cooks. And to do that, we're going to baste some honey on here, pour some honey on as this bird cooks. Once we get about halfway through of cooking time. And this is what, 6 pounds, about 6.5 pound bird. And so it's going to take 20 minutes per pound, at least a good 2 hours, a little more than 2 hours to cook this thing on the grill. So I've got my grill lit, so let's go ahead and take it outside. All right, I'm out on the grill. About 325 degrees is my temperature for the grill, and I'm going to do a bit of an indirect cooking with this. But like I've done with other recipes, especially cooking a bird on the grill, you need to have a pan of liquid, and you can use that pan. And this is chicken stock that I've already made from previous birds that I've cooked, and I'm just going to pour some more of this in here, just like so, and then move my grill grate over here to help get it in place. And I want a little bit of space here, so that way when I go to baste the bird, I can stick this right inside of here, okay? So, go ahead and grab the bird that I have already. I probably should just use my hands rather than the tongs. I'm just gonna place it right over top where I have my tray of broth. And again, we're gonna let this cook for a good 2 hours. In about 1 hour from now, we'll take a look at this, see how it's looking. In the meantime, about every 30 minutes, I'll rotate this. I'll move from this way, I'll flip it over to the other side, and just keep moving it around a little bit. Again, every 30 minutes or so, and that'll work out just fine. So let's see what it looks like in a little bit. Okay, it's been a good hour. Again, I've been turning this turkey breast as that hour's gone past, and I flipped it up right here. And what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of this broth that's in here. Again, this broth will make excellent gravy. You can put it in one of those, I don't know what to call it, a broth, I don't know what it's called, where you can skim off the fat of the broth. Anyways, so I've just basted that again, and what I'm going to do, I've heated up some honey, right, and I'm just going to put a little bit, not too much, but just drizzle this honey over top of here, not dump it on, and just go like that, and just let it roast then another half hour, and then I'll baste it too again, maybe flip it up right side up, upside down, put some more honey on it again for another half hour, until we get this bird completely done or cooked. We'll check with the thermostat, to make sure it's like at least 165 in the big piece of meat right there on that breast, and once we're there, we will know it's time to eat. All right, it's been a good 3.5 hours. I'm gonna check on this bird again. I've been rotating it. It's getting a little bit dark out here now. It's just about ready. I'm gonna check the temperature on it. It needs to be at least a minimum of I think 165 degrees, so I'll check that. I can tell by just the way it looks. Oh, this looks beautiful. It smells wonderful. It's gonna be juicy and tender. So I'm gonna get ready to bring this inside and let it rest a little bit, and then slice it and see how it looks. Okay, I brought the turkey inside, the turkey breast. I've let it rest here for at least a good 5 minutes, get all those juices back inside of that bird. And this rub, the honey I put on there, that's what the little bit of the darker brown in there, the burntness is that's the honey, the sugar on there. it's gonna make this taste really good. So, you know, to carve this bird, a good carving knife, make sure it's nice and sharp. I hope mine is. Basically, I'm gonna look for this breastbone that's right down the middle here. And I'm gonna put my hands on here and try to just cut out this giant piece of turkey breast right here, okay? So I'm just gonna go just like this. You can see it coming apart. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look, that's gonna be nice. It's definitely done all the way through. And so what you can do, you know, to cut a turkey breast, go ahead and just slice it just like so. Get a little bit of that skin that's on there for everybody, so they can have a little bit of that skin that's gonna be very, very flavorful. I'll just cut it up just like this. So before I get too far, actually I'll just take a little piece for myself here. Give it a try. Oh yes, and it's juicy. You wouldn't believe it. You know, always turkeys look dry, but this, I guarantee you, it's juicy. Make sure you just baste it. Keep that broth under there. Make gravy out of it when it's done. It's perfect. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.